Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna learn to use the range function with for loop. So what is range function? Well, to loop through a set of code at specified times, we can use the range function. The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1 by default and ends at a specified supplied number. Have a look at the example. So I'm just gonna jump into my IDE and remove all the codes that I had from my previous lecture, and I'm gonna type for numbers in, then I'm gonna call my range function, end my statement with a colon, get inside, and let's say I'm gonna type 6. Now I'm gonna hit enter, call my print function, and I'm gonna pass numbers. Okay, now I'm gonna right click, run it. Then you'll see that I've got from 0 to 5 printed out on my code runner. So according to the definition, range function ends at a specified number, and that's why we've got from 0 to 5 printed out on our code runner, because our supplied number in range function was 6. So it stopped at 6 without printing the value itself. Please note that the supplied number is not the value of 0 to 6, rather it's the value of 0 to 5. So that's pretty much how you would want to go ahead and use the range function with for loop. So we're gonna continue and learning more about the range functions in our upcoming lectures. So I hope this has been informative and you've learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture.